Hello everybody, welcome to another listening activity. We have recently, in our English class, we studied vocabulary about holidays, entertainment, team sports, and individual sports. And next, there are some options for vocabulary lists that we can study and do games and activities with. So, one idea would be the mall. Another idea is clothing vocabulary. Number 3 would be shoes and accessories. And then option 4 is medical vocabulary. So I'd like you to please choose the topic you are most interested in. And here's an example of the mall. So mall vocabulary would be different kinds of stores. We would talk about what we see at the mall, who goes there, what kind of shopping you can do. So that's one option. There's also a lot of different lists of vocabulary about clothing. So this looks like maybe a hotel, and there's people who are wearing dresses, suits, jeans, even a tuxedo I see. Here's another page of clothing vocabulary. So there's more clothing vocabulary ideas. This would be a vocabulary list and activities about shoes and accessories. Accessories are things like jewelry, watches, purses. So that's an option. This is a page of medical vocabulary. So ideas related to our health, to medicine, different kinds of ways of staying healthy. And here's another example of what medical vocabulary might be like. Different injuries and treatments for when we get hurt or when we get sick. Okay, so here is what you have to do. This is your work right now. Please open a Google document, a Google Doc. Share it with me. The title could be Next Vocabulary Lesson. And then you can write what vocabulary list you are most interested in and why. So you could write, I would like to learn about mall vocabulary because I like shopping. Or I would like to learn about clothing vocabulary because I don't know any vocabulary about clothes. Or you can choose shoes and accessories. Or you can choose medical vocabulary. Okay, so you open a Google Doc, share it with me. The title can be something like Next Vocabulary Lesson, or the title of your document could be My Ideas for Vocabulary. And then in the document, you will write one sentence. You'll write a sentence explaining what vocabulary list you would like to learn next. Okay, so good luck, and I hope to see it soon. I hope you can finish this in, 3 or 4 minutes maximum. Good luck.